axis. What is presenting data using graphs? Different graphs and charts that can be used to present data. So these are the graph or charts that we can use to present. So those are bar graph, pie chart, line graph. Bar graph can be used to compare quantities. Line graph can be used to show trends over time. So if there are days, year, weeks, that's about time. So our graph will be line graph because it shows the trends if it is increasing or decreasing. Next, pie chart can be used to display proportions. So the pie chart looks like a pizza pie. You know what is pizza pie? So this is the pie chart, and there are like that, and the inside of the triangle are percentages. For example, this is 35%, this is 10%. So that is a pie chart. For example, this graph, what do you call that graph?
Average monthly graph.
Now, what graph is that?
Line graph?
Line graph. Look at the graph. It looks like line graph. So the graph shows the average monthly temperature. A line graph is used to show the trend of the temperature over time. So the table on the next slide shows the average monthly rainfall in millimeters in the Philippines for 2 consecutive years. Determine the graph to be used in presenting data. What type of graph is appropriate for presenting this data and why? So look at the example. What type of graph are you going to present? Look at that. Is it about time?
It's about
So,
rain culture.
So, unsa man tong clue word if it is about time?
Monthly.
Ha? What graph are we going to use?
Line.
Line graph.
Graph.
About time. So, for example, this one, in millimeter, from January, 100 millimeter ang rainfall. Then 90 in February, 120 millimeter in March. So, it's about time. Like, months ang nakabutang. Again, ang mga time, days, months, weeks, years. So, basta about time, line graph ang inyong gamiton. Okay? So, a line graph is suitable because it effectively shows trends and comparisons over time. In this case, the months represent time on the x-axis and the rainfall amounts for the years 2021 and 2022 are plotted as points on the y-axis. So by connecting these points with lines, the graph can clearly illustrate the changes in rainfall patterns across the months of each year. You read the text, and allows for easy comparison between 2021 and 2022. So line graph ang appropriate ato. Next, a survey was conducted to find out how students in grade 8 prefer to spend their free time. Create an appropriate graph to present the data. What graph?
Pie chart.
Pie chart. Understandable because there are percentages. Okay? But how to create a pie chart man? So, kabantay mo sa una na atay category, na atay frequency, na atay relative frequency, di ba? Then percentage sa una ba? Grade 7.
Natural.
Percentage, anak. So, category, for example, apple, banana, pila ka apple, 5, pila ka banana, i-add din mo na tanan, 13 sila total. So, to get the relative frequency, 5 frequency divided by the total frequency. So, 5 divided by ani is decimal. Kisa, English na natin? Okay.
No,
So, this is the pie chart. This is the pie chart, okay? So, katurang assignment ninyo. Para na ha. Naba ni? Kani